When I start, firstly I thank you, the TTC owner, dear Basta Alam sir, and the ladies and gentlemen and their judges. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am myself Shafi. Today we are our debate, and I am the leader of the opposite team, and we are against money brings everything in the world. Our topic is about money not brings everything in the world. So me and my team strongly believe that money not brings everything in the world, but money brings something in the world, because money is an important for some time, because in our study we need book, we need table, then we need money. When we need food, then we need money, because money give us our some kind of needed things, but money not brings us everything in the world. So money can bring the time, because time is limited, because the God give us time that was limited, when we cannot before get the time, and then we not go before the time. Money can back a people life, because life is limited by given by God, by Allah give us the limited time in our life. Our life is a limited position, and when that's end, the time is up, we go to the what which is the akhirat that we called, and for end of the life. So money is everything in the world. Money isn't, the truth is money isn't, and money isn't answer for everything. Money is not everything in the world. So money is only a tool. It will take you whatever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. Am I right? If you want to know what a man is really like, take notice of how he act when he lost money. Money is not everything. Someone believe no relationships is possible without money, but truth is no amount of money can buy the relationships. Am I right again? Just remember one thing, can you buy a computer, not the brain? You can buy a luxury life, medicine, but you can buy the culture and happiness. Am I right? Yes, of course, money is important, but it's not important. It's not everything. But money is just a part of our life. So don't stress about too much. And that is the matter of money, not need. So the question of me. So thank you for the question. That the question was, it is possible to motivation the life, not money cannot bring everything. I say it, that what can you do such without money? I answered it, that the money can search happiness. That is the answer. Just imagine you have hungry, you have the money, what do you do? That I say, the God will give us feed. We cannot without money, it is an important thing. So a human can born without money and died without money. And again the question was for that money but to death. I can answer the question. So with more you can study. So last week and leader Mahidi, he can say that science who did for 2000 taka. But if you notice that some stories, parents have lost of money but don't save their child. Thank you very much for listening and being with me. Allah Hafiz.